Hey there, kiddos! I'm Bella, and guess what? Today, we're going to sprinkle some magic onto our drawing paper and create something super fun, a house shaped like a cuddly cat. Alrighty, little artists, let's kick things off by drawing a line, just like we saw in the video. Now, let's add some whisker-twitching details. We'll draw the cat's swishy tail, perky ears, and cute little paws. Time to make our feline friend even more adorable. Let's add twinkling eyes, a smiling mouth, and rosy cheeks. And what's a cat's house without a door? Let's not forget to draw one, my awesome friends. Whoa, look at that masterpiece taking shape. Now, let's add some extra pizzazz with those detailed lines for the eyes, cheeks, door, and ears. You're all doing fantastic. Oh, your pictures are getting more beautiful by the minute. Now, it's time to add some color. Let's make those houses as vibrant and lovely as can be. My little buddies. Brown. Blue. Brown. Blue. Green. Yellow.